Hello guys, welcome to a tutorial on how to make a Gtag copy. Sorry if I sound really tired because it's 7 a.m. and I have not gotten any sleep because I was up doing some stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna teach you on how to make your Gtag copy if you don't already know. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is go to your web browser, you're gonna search up Photon Engine and PlayFab, and then you're gonna new studio, and then you're gonna create your studio. Uh, Create your studio. Then you're gonna go into it. You're gonna go to add-ons. Before you do anything, go to add-ons. Scroll down to Photon. Then go here, and then go to your Photon Engine. You're gonna create new app. You're gonna create new app. It's gonna say, I'll show you. Uh, Fusion, you're gonna change that to real time and then make it whatever you want. I'm gonna cancel because I already have two that I'm setting up. And then you're gonna create another one, and you're gonna change it to voice and then make it whatever name you want. And then you're gonna find out in here. You copy that, put it in the voice, goes into the chat. And then you're gonna go back to your photon, scroll until you find your real time. And then the real time also goes to the real time. And then once you're done doing that, you just click install photon. Boom, that'll do it. Now you're gonna copy your title ID up here. You're gonna go back to your photon, go manage on your real time, go custom server. If you don't already have this, you just go PlayFab. You go how to set up. You just click this little link right here. You go here, accept all. If that pops up. Then you just go over here. You copy this right here, not the dot, just this right here. And then you come over here and paste it in. And then these little brackets right here, you're gonna want to paste your PlayFab title ID right where these are highlighted. You're just gonna want to replace that like so. Make sure there's no dot at the end or that will ruin your servers. Then, oops, you're just gonna want to copy that. You're gonna click save. You're gonna go back to dashboard. You're gonna scroll down until you find your other one, your voice. Go manage custom server. Replace that. Paste it. Save. Like so. Now we're done with Photon. Now we click out of that. Click out of that. Now we go back to PlayFab. And now we're gonna go down to currency legacy. It's in economicy. Never mind. This one is in this one right under live ops. You can go new currency. Make sure it's all caps. SR and then all caps again. Shiny rocks like that. Then the initial deposit is how many shiny rocks you want your players to have when they first join the game. Make it a reasonable limit. Like the most I go to is 15,000, and then I usually do like 1,500 per day. That's how much shiny rocks they get every time they come back. And then the maximum nines you can have. This is like the max you can have. Shiny rocks is nine numbers, which you always want to put at the maximum of 999 all the way up to 9 nines, if that makes sense. Once you've done all this, you're gonna save currency, and then you're gonna go to catalogs legacy, and then you should join the Discord in the link in the description. This is my Discord. You're gonna go once you're in the Discord, you're gonna go DLCs, and then you could just really choose any of these DLCs. I recommend the every update to Heatwave Jason by Rin, or the every update. Really, all of these are just every updates besides this one. But you can just take one of those. Then once it's downloaded, you go upload JSON, choose file. You're gonna go to your downloads, and it'll be in here somewhere. Let me just find it real quickly. I'm gonna do this one. Up DLC for almost every update.json. You're gonna click open, and it should do this, and then you're gonna click upload file. Should have this. Might not have as many items as me, unless you have the DLC from this Discord, like the one I used, or a better one. The more kilobytes it has, like the more KB here, is the more like higher update it has. Oh yeah, also I forgot this part completely. My bad, guys. What you're gonna want to do is, if this is your first time and you don't have Unity or Photon or PlayFab, you can go to my server. You can download Unity. You want to get a personal account, and then once that's installed, you're gonna go to Photon and PlayFab, and then all that. And then in here will be the tutorial I post, and then packages in here. If you already know what you're doing, I got a bunch of packages for you. Fixes will be added soon. Asset Ripper for you don't have to worry about that. Revisions we will do in a second. But we have a bunch of projects you can choose from. I don't recommend doing any 25s or 24s because they are pretty hard to do. I recommend doing the 23 projects or the 22 projects because they are the best. Also, shout out to Mr. Den, pretty goated guy. He made all these projects. And yeah, just download one of these projects and then unzip it, and then you go to your Unity. You'll add project from this, downloads, and then it'll be in here like this. And you double click it, double click again, and then if it goes to this, don't click anything else. You just click open, and then it might pop up an editor version. You just want to download that. If it doesn't have an editor version, you should go look and see. He probably had an editor version right here, and you're just gonna download that. If you don't know how to download it, you just go installs, install editor, archive, and then you choose the year it has. So obviously 2021. You go here, all versions, and then you just scroll down until you find whatever version of the project you need. If it doesn't show up when you import the project into it. Okay, let's go back to the tutorial. So now we are not done just yet. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Cloud Script in LiveOps. We're gonna go Revisions Legacy. You're gonna go to the Discord. You're gonna go Revisions. This one is Instaban revision. You don't want to worry about that until you get a little bit more experience with Unity. You're gonna go in here. You're gonna copy this right here. You're gonna copy all this, or you could also download it as well. So if you download it, you just go upload, browse, and then you choose it, and then click deploy after save, and then you deploy it. But since I copied it, I'm just gonna paste it in here. You always want to make sure that the version is live 1122, and everything else does not matter. You just go deploy this revision after save and deploy. That's done. Now we're gonna go to settings, API features, scroll down, disable all of these, and then enable allow client to view reason, ban reason, and duration. And then you're gonna click save. And then we're done with PlayFab, but do not close it because we need it. Now we're gonna go into our add-ons on LiveOps, go back to Photon here, and then keep this window open. We're gonna go to our Unity project. What? Okay. we're gonna search up in assets. We're gonna go to PlayFab shared settings. We're gonna copy our PlayFab ID up here. Title ID we're gonna paste up there. And we're gonna search up Photon in our assets. We're gonna go to the one. If it has like this, just go to the other one. Go to here. Take it real time. Goes into the pun or real time. Whichever you want to have. Then take this one. And then it goes into the voice, or if you don't have voice, it goes into the chat. Make sure your app version is live 1122. Then you're gonna go up here, go PlayFab, Authenticator. You're gonna want to go back, copy your PlayFab ID, right click this, edit script. Wait for it to load. Like so. Okay, and then it loads. Then you're gonna go title ID, just double click it, paste your ID, go real time, put it here in the real time, chat, voicing, goes right under the real time right there. Make sure it's in these right here. If you have this right here, change it to live 1122 if it's not already. And then if you do not have this, your title ID, voice, and real time, do not worry. You just have to do the ones in assets, and that will also work. Okay, and then once you're done with that, don't mind any of this. These don't matter at all. Then you're gonna go all the way to the bottom, and if it's not already here, it's gonna be something called application.quit. You're gonna want to delete that. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna click the X button and then you click save. Make sure you click save. Then go back to your project, wait for it to load. Okay, now once it's unloading, just click the X up there, click here, click here, there. Now we have our servers working like so. And also, if your project didn't already come with it, which most of Mr. Den's projects and pretty much all of the projects in the Discord do already come with WASD. So what you do, if you don't already have it, I will have it in here unless I don't have it already. I don't have it already, but it will be in the Discord in here. It will be in here somewhere in scripts. You just want to get it. It will be called, here I just have it, WSD. Go here. I will post it in the Discord right now. Like so. It'll be in here. Okay, and then if you already haven't done it already, if it's not already in the project, you just what you do is you just go here, right click in the empty space, import new asset, go to your downloads, and it'll be right up here called wsdplayer.cs. And then once that's imported, you just make a new empty, you right click here, create empty, and then you drag the script into here. I recommend putting this to 7 and then like 0.2. Oh yeah, if this already isn't set up, you go here, search up, and it'll already be there, Gorilla Player, and then camera transform. You want to click there. You want to search up main camera right there, and boom, you've done that. Then you're gonna go to play mode once you're done all that. Wait for it to load. I would close out of Steam unless you want to test your game in VR, but you can test it in Unity. Pretty much the exact same. And then now, if your arms are broken, like they're not broken, but like they're out to the side and you can't move around, you just want to search up left hand controller or left hand controller. Select that. You're gonna move it into the chest where it's off the floor, and the right one into the chest off the floor as well. And then once you're done, you hold down right click to look around and be able to move. Or you can move without doing it, but you want to so you can actually move around correctly. Yeah, there's your MOTD. This will be working, and then once you go out here, your server should be working like so. You should be able to see your microphone unless you do not have a microphone. Public servers as well. Then if we go up here and you go into scene, then you go over here, just press 1, test press or test click. Mine is broken. Hopefully yours isn't broken, but you can enter a code like that. Yeah, and then with your DLC, all your cosmetics should be working. These are the wrong ones. Yeah. All these cosmetics should be working. Yeah, they're all prices 1. You can, if you don't like the price, you can always change it in your PlayFab. What you do is you go here, you go to catalogs legacy, you click on your DLC, you go filter, check mark that, display name. You can change whatever you want the cost to be. So I could choose like Santa hat, update, click on it, scroll down, and then you see here, you can, if it's not already selected as SR, then you can just change the amount to whatever you want, like 1500 for example. And then once that's done, you just like go wherever Santa hat is and select it. If and you could choose any cosmetic you have in here. If it does not show up, if you search the name of it, it's because a lot of projects are like this. They don't actually show the name of it. It shows the ID of it, but you can just take this ID, like so. You take this ID, filter that, and then just do that, and then it'll show up for you. And then I like this. I like the flashback project because I got all these cosmetics too. They're pretty cool. If it says 0, you cannot buy it. If everything says 0, that means your DLC is not working. So yeah, that's how you make a grill take copy. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, and yeah. Oh yeah, one more thing. Just it's just to help stop people from pulling your info when if they ask to rip your game. What you want to do is you go to Window and go down to Package Manager. Click that unit. Make sure this is on Unity Registry. But no. You want to go to My Assets. Then you're gonna go to your browser. You're gonna go here. You're gonna go to Unity Asset Store. So click on this one. You're gonna go here. You're gonna search OBF, like so. Whoops. Never mind. It's gonna be in the Discord. There will be a package in here called OBF or something like that. You're just gonna wanna go here, import package. Once you're done downloading, you can go downloads, and you just want to not that one. Hold on, guys. Let me find it real quickly. I find it is that one. Okay. It's gonna be this one right here. You just wanna click it, click open, wait for it to load. Right here, you just wanna click import. Warning minutes there. This is a long video. Alright. Now that you installed that, that's all you have to do. You just have to import it into your game, and that's good. And now what you want to do is to make your game done fully, you're going to go to dedicate server. You're going to change this to 32-bit if it already isn't. Go Android, change this to ASTC, all compatible devices, leave that the same. If it's not this, then change it to this. So you're going to go player settings, change this to whatever your, this is your company name and this is your game name. This you're gonna change to live 1122. Go key store manager, key store, create new, anywhere, save. Your, make a password. This is your game name. Can't be capitals even. And then this is your organization. It'll just be this one right here. You're gonna go add key. Yes. Boom. That's and then you could add a picture if you want. Then, now that we've done that, you go to scene, like so. Now we can go to build settings. If you already don't have it up here, you just do Control Shift B, and then this pops up. You go build, and then you build the APK. You just click save, and then it will ask you to save like the project or something. You just click yes. And that's all I got for you guys. That's how to make your girl take copy, add something to stop cheaters from getting your girl to copy, and how to build your girl to copy. So I hope you guys have a great day. And that's the video. This tutorial is going to be posted in Turbo Turbo Nova and Shadows Unity Hub because I am a tutorial maker in it. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. And I'll also post it in my Discord as well. So yeah, also go to my Discord. It'll be in the link in the description. And also, you should probably also join their Discord too, since they're pretty good people, nice people and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, join the Discords, get the packages and scripts and all everything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.